Okay, so as you guys know, yesterday I took the mini bike mudding. Well, we might be having our yard, and well, it didn't go too bad, but I just didn't like the noise it made. So I'm not sure how often I'm gonna go mudding, like how I did yesterday on it. I mean, it still starts with close. 3 minutes and everything's still muddy, but still though. If I have to, I'll still on this. I'm not lying. Good enough. So, we'll run on this for a little bit. I might put my boots on if I have to. If it's actually still kind of muddy, then of course I'll put boots on. Still water. You can drift easily. Over here's what kind of gets about. When you go put boots on, I'm gonna put boots on just in case if I fall or something. My dad's supposed to take the 4-wheels in sometime this week. Well, he's trying to at least. Since his business just started, I'm not sure if he'll have time. But spring break, after tomorrow, more on spring break, and we have 9 days for spring break. So 5 of that is when the shops open, I'm pretty sure. So I'm pretty sure the shop that my dad's doing is usually closed on the weekends. So at the end, I'll probably see if he loads up the 4-wheels. If not, hopefully he comes back, He might come back today, load him up, take him to them. If so, then I'll probably ride him. I doubt I'll record. Not much to record when you're bringing 4-wheels in the shop, but who knows. My phone's not getting wet, so that's good. Let me get it set up so, No, I can't get as muddy as I did yesterday because my dad kind of got a little bit mad when I did that. So I can't get muddy, but I still can get kind of muddy, I guess. I mean, that thing is definitely still watery. I still don't like how it's slow on start off though. I mean, I did not save the oil, but I don't think I needed to. It didn't get that low. With my mom. Closest check in the mail. the window down? No? Okay. Just roll the window down. Come on, roll the window down. Roll the window down. Why? I can't see you. You won't even roll the window down for me. See? I know one of the things he does not like is seeing up on this. Possibly, he'll probably not like me down this just because it's probably, you know, muddy and all that. I gotta be careful on these pegs though. My feet just slip on that one right though. I'm not. Why? Oh. Yeah. Hey, we doing anything tonight?
I gotta go show another house and mommy said that's it.
Okay. Hey, did Dad tell you he's taking the 4-wheelers in today?
No,
Do you think he'll take them in today?
probably not. He's helping Logan and Philip mulch right now. Logan went and got 5 more scoops of mulch today and ran out again.
Jeez.
He had to go get more again.
Yeah, I want Dad to take the 4-wheelers in sometime so we can buy them this weekend.
Tyler, that's why he keeps saying he should have never told you. Because you won't leave him alone about it.
I only asked once.
No.
Yeah.
God, no. You've asked 2 or 3 times every day.
Not you. Not to Dad, but to you.
You're aggravating him with it. Leave it alone. He knows. He's trying. I just got done showing her house. I gotta go write an offer on it.
That's good. It started building. Started building, but started. Yo, let me honestly see how fast I can take this thing. Not on the road, look. I'm just curious how fast this thing can actually go. Because I don't think I will hit full speed. Hopefully he takes the 4 wheels in sometimes. It's gonna be fun content this week if he does, so. Now if that was more popular and this was more recent, then he'll like let's say I make money off of YouTube, he'll probably try to take him in, you know, but I don't know. Let me try over here again though. Like I think I only went over here once maybe. Out of today. I can't find my mom will beat me. Yeah, hold on. let's see something. Yes! I mean, it worked. But I gotta be careful. On my hill, I swear to God. So, if I was right all the way down here, my mom knows I ride to the yellow sign. So, I mean, I don't even ride to the yellow sign, though, that's the thing. And my mom knows I ride to here. So. I'll be horrible. But that holds it. I feel my light is on like place. Like I gotta be careful to no salt falling, bro. You don't know how hard I'm trying to not fall today. I'm trying not to fall today as hard as I'm trying best not to fall because I just don't get beat. I don't get beat, you guys know that, but my dad didn't even necessarily get mad at me. My dad got mad at my mom for letting me come out yesterday. Because it was still raining, or you barely felt the raindrops. It's like an airsoft bullet on a mini bike. If you go fast enough on a mini bike, and the airsoft hit you, and the bullet hit you on an airsoft gun, not airsoft gun, like, y'all know the ones that with the plastic, not plastic, like the foamy bullets. Like if that hit you, then you're not gonna probably feel anything. But who knows? We might have rain coming in, I doubt it though. So if y'all didn't know, I did get a GoPro in middle school. But she kind of broke up with me. Now she wants to get back together. And now she kind of treated me like poop today. And like a couple days before today, she kind of treated me like poop again. So I don't know. I don't think I have feelings for her. She makes me laugh in that time, and then, you know, whenever a girl makes you laugh, I feel like you just get like a little tiny bit feelings for her. But like, I don't like right now. I do not have feelings for her right now. Right now, I don't think me and her ever gonna get back together. But I don't know. I don't think she treated me like that good today at all. She's trying to treat me like poop. So I don't think me and her gonna get back together. But if we do, though, you guys will see her sometime. You guys definitely will see her sometime on the channel, but I doubt. We really have like 4 weeks of school left, so I gotta make my decision quick because he knew I was mad at her today. I mean, I'm not even lying though. I mean, I thought there was some like high school kids oh, middle school relationships never last. I know they never last. I'm gonna be completely honest. I know they don't last, but she's my first ever girlfriend. Like, I'm not like my first ever, so. It's a different kind of pain when you don't cry and you just breathe in and take it in. That was exactly what I did. I mean, I'm not on this. It's how I deal with that pain. I love writing these things. My mind gets distracted off of them. So that's good. But I mean, I'm not lying. I can't wait till I get the 4 wheels back because I don't know. I'm just saying subject from subject, but I was trying to fill y'all, trying to fill you guys in the middle school. And to be honest, middle school's not bad. It's really not. I mean, my friend Gage, you guys might know Gage, you might not. He's my closest friend, been friends since 3rd or 4th grade. I mean, he got picked on, so that's how we kind of became friends, because I kind of helped him not get picked on me, and we became close friends ever since. But, I don't know, it just kind of feel like our friendship kind of went off in middle school. Not necessarily because of him, just because he never gets a chance to come to my house anymore. And we've been busy. I don't know, it'd be fun because he'll be writing my voice, we'll kind of be writing his, I'll be writing this. Me and Gabe will probably be swapping from this to this. And I'll try to get him come over this week, but I don't know, it's just not going to work probably. I don't know, it'll be fun to have to come over, but he's got a whole game suspended right now. And Evan, the kind of way he kind of called Evan names, but they never really were close friends. So he kind of blackmailing him in like an odd way. I mean, they know like each other in the first place. That's how, like, it's gonna be Gage before any girlfriend I get. If they were still friends. But it's gonna be him before any girlfriend I get. So, I mean, our relationship wasn't necessarily on the best home, because she said, she's never dated anybody else, and like the whole middle school says she has. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't necessarily know how I feel about that, but I don't know. It's definitely gonna be interesting when we all get back together, because I think those are all gonna be trust issues if we do. And if you got trust, if you don't got trust, you don't got nothing, so. Yeah. But that mud is so slippery. Hey, do you guys want to know whose truck that is? The business is located here. So we're gonna have whenever we get a lot more people in the business, there's gonna be more trucks pulling up, whatever they drive pulling up in here. No, I'm pretty sure it has to be truck either pulling with a trailer. So then they have to be a truck, but it'd be better to have a truck for this business. I'm not even lying though, I really won't get the 4 wheels back soon. I mean, that's gonna be heck of fun. So when we get those back, I promise you guys, I promise you guys, there's definitely gonna be a lot more content. I mean, I already said there's gonna be a lot more content, but I mean, with 4 wheels, bro. I mean, you guys have not seen 4 wheels on this channel yet. And I know like me kind of have a heck of fun on this. Like, a lot of fun. So I'm just hoping that my dad gets him in soon, at least this week. At least tomorrow, because we're off for spring break. We're off for spring break after tomorrow. So I can't tell you guys how much more content we're filming, because this video is just like favoring me to filling y'all in with what happened between the last time I posted. Yeah, I won't go hide seat. There's a 4 wheels and all that, but there's nowhere to hide. I mean, there's really not. Like, I guess you got a garage, a car garage. I guess if you make it walk, you can kind of hide in here. I mean, I guess you could go over those, just behind those trees. So I guess if we really want to play that type of tag or hide and seek, we definitely could. definitely won't be fun if we did. And actually, I'm trying to think about it now, that would be fun. Because, you say, well, the battery's all set. Like, I'm pretty sure we can't bring 4 wheels all the way down here. So, like, if I could, I would say the hiding spot's right here, but kind of the 3 to 4 feet hiding behind that. And I know there are bigger things, but I mean, it's probably gonna be nighttime now what we do. Play hide and seek. And I mean, my 4-wheel is all black. So I'm probably gonna turn it off whenever we stop. The thing's red, so it's gonna probably be easier to see it. So I don't know. It's definitely gonna be fun if we do play hide and seek. Yo, try something over here. This. Yep, right there. You can put, yep, that's new. Now mind though, this summer is going to be fun because I already have what I want. Can-Am Outlander. I put the link in the description. Of course, I think the lowest one I found for one of those is $4,000 bucks. If it doesn't go up, but I mean that thing is pretty good. I'm gonna see if it has a snorkel on it. I know that's not. I'm pretty sure that's not how you call it. But I'm pretty sure y'all will probably connect the dots. But it's those things that you go underwater with. Well, everything can be underwater except the handle, like the handlebars will be underwater too. Except, and that thing will be the breathing for transmission and all that. So this summer is gonna be fun. I promise you guys. This summer, I feel like I'm gonna be a whole different person this summer just because of how much stuff I'm planning to do. Who knows though? I mean, I'm just saying that. I mean, it might not be true. My plans might not go together how I want it, but man, I feel like I'm gonna have fun this summer. I cannot ride with y'all. Hey, like, kid guys, there's already a couple people from school that found my channel. So, I mean, is that my dad? Wait a minute, that's the truck. Isn't it? I never seen someone. No, it's not. Like, my bad. I can't tell because it's a blue truck. But I couldn't necessarily tell from distance. But that's all. Oh, this is Philip. No, it's not Philip. But I don't know who Philip is. This is one of the guys helping them walk. But man, this summer definitely will be fun. I'm trying my best not to fall. I'm also trying my best to keep these things run on. We're going to get a 4-wheel. These things need to be run on, but this right here needs to be worked on. This over there needs to be like that. Over there needs to be more of a muddy spot. Because when we get the 4-wheels, this whole thing's gonna be like filled up. No, man, you guys, our 4-wheels they cannot go like when we put them in water. They're not like. But that's when the 4-wheel stops walking when we took him in water for a couple of times, like deep water, but not above tiles water. And for some reason they stopped walking. Maybe because of splashing and all that. I mean, I am a daredevil, so I messed stuff up. Like, I won't be surprised if like a month or two before something goes wrong with this thing. And I wouldn't even know if it's my fault or not. But you guys see the mud right now. So it could be my fault, who knows? But I'm trying my best not to fall today. Like, I do not, like, I do not want to get beat. You know, I'm not going to. But I didn't put my feet on the back page. I don't like how I hold on my deal life. I do not like that. Let's do it again. Oh God. Ah, bro, I ain't doing that. Get that too scary. That is too scary. Look, backflips are much easier. If I use my feet, I don't have to pull with my hands. I guess let me try to do the Monday thing up. Ain't going to work, but I can try. Oh God, this is not a good idea. Good idea was that? Oh my bad, I forgot. Well, I do not want to do this. I did not get muddy. I did not get muddy, that's good. But even though we do put on the ground, it kind of does get filled with water. I mean, still salt's just fine. Which is a good sign. But if my mom sees me, like, after fall and she thinks that's too much, it'll make me get off. That is better. Let's get this out. Well, I'm seriously trying my best to get all the mud off this thing. My feet's getting warm. Going down like that. It's kind of like an angle too. Gotta get the mud out the stair. I mean, that definitely worked for the boot to get clean. Although the video might not even need to be edited, but look at my watch. Look at my nice watch. Wow. If this thing still works, I will be surprised. Does it work? Nah, but this thing still works. So it does now. That is $10 what? Be quiet. Like, bro, that gets mud off. That gets mud off. Go skin. Yeah, let's try this again. You gotta really see the mud flying off. I gotta get certain amount of speed before it actually falls. Is that really a problem? Nope. I bet. If that thing's stuck in broken, I see glass off of it. Let's do this again. Oh, you got another thing goes fast when you kind of heal the tiles on the ground with the brakes. I gotta know the thing goes fast. Wait a minute. Do you think did this die on me or gas went out? Oh god, please tell me gas went out on it. That was it last time when it was empty. Well, gas went out on it. Oh, that's kind of instant though, like right after water puddle. You hear gas in it, so I'm curious why it is in it. But hopefully he needs gas and go. Let me go get gas in it. Hey, do you guys know that we went through all of these tanks? They're not completely full, there's about half. Yeah, that one's empty. Well, they're all empty, but they're all probably about half, and I started using them. I think that's just so you guys how much I ride them. I mean, I know the videos are edited, but, like, they aren't the full footage, of course, because I edit them out. And I don't know if we have any more gas. I put some in it, so it'll probably be alive for a little bit till it dies again. At least this is for you guys didn't know. I kind of went here one day to see if I could see if it was the oil, but I mean, I doubt it is, plus it's my dad's fault, that's why it won't start. I feel like he will check that, so I'm not gonna ask him because he doesn't like when I talk about 4 wheels. But I think that's all the gas that's in here, but that's all the gas that's in here, man. Kind of sad, but hopefully this will start up for a little bit at least. I didn't put, there wasn't much gas when I put it in here. Try to light up. It doesn't mean I feel like when we put gas into something, it just feels like it goes a lot faster. It does for me at least. I'm not gonna bring any more mud because I'm trying to get the mud clean off of it. So I might dig a hole to it and get it clean. Yeah, it's probably what I'll do. I'd say that then tomorrow I don't record because this thing's dirty. Hey guys, this will be the end of the video. And the only reason I'm ending it, I'm being honest, the only reason why I'm ending it is because I feel like not much more to film. And I already feel like I filmed a little bit too much, but I did not. Oh god, that smell. That smells good. See guys, this is gonna be in the video here, so I'll see y'all next time.